My dad told me how he used to put little baseball cards on his bike to make them sound like dirt bikes. So I looked all over YouTube trying to find a video how to do it. But I couldn't find a good one. But that changes today. Jet Daddy Customs coming at you with another one. You're gonna need a roll of duct tape, an old piece of plastic, and you're also gonna need a pair of scissors. The first step is to cut out a T shape in the plastic. Okay, so you're gonna need something that looks like this. The next step is to place this in the spokes and then tape it on each side right here. So this is our finished product, and let's crank this baby up and see how it runs.
Okay.
I hope this helped you guys turn your sorry old bicycle into an awesome dirt bike.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.